guys, welcome to Summer to Part. This is Summer. Today we are going to install the roof LED for the Defender. As we do the before, we use some silver design, and this popular selling is the black one. So today we're going to make the installation step for you guys to reference, and we can find when we unboxing the box, you will find the coming sticker for remind us how to make the hole. It will be easy to find the hole for installation the lid, and we can find the first step we need to install the top screws to fix it, and then open the lid and to find the holes on the bottom to fix it. Then it will be finished. It's such easy, and the most difficult part is the top of the cover. It needs to find the angle to fix it. So follow my video to check the details of the installation step. Okay.